What's up, everyone? It's like Christmas morning for me. Just got a new scan tool. I got the new Autel IM608 PRO. And the reason I got this is because my dealership was outsourcing key programming for non-Toyotas to a locksmith. And I went to my boss and I told him, you know, that's something we can do. We keep that money and profit in-house. And I ended up getting this IM608 PRO. Now, I was going to do an unboxing video, but I was so excited to get this after a fiasco of shipping to actually receive this that I wasn't even out of the UPS parking lot when I had this thing unboxed and hooked up to my truck because I just couldn't wait. I was like a kid on Christmas morning. So now that you know what I got and why I got it, we're just going to go over what all this kit comes with. So now that we went over our whys, we can start to go over our how. So we're going to start on the left. This is our J2534 box now. The nice thing about this is you can also use this with a laptop to use OEM software if needed. But this works wirelessly with our IM608. In our IM608 has immobilizer functions and diagnostic functions and is essentially a full-fledged scan tool with the addition of immobilizer functions. And this here is the new XP400, which was upgraded when they came out with the Pro kit. Now this makes it easier to read Eprom chips in circuit so that you don't have to desolder as many circuit boards. Now over here, we're going to start over here with this cable. This cable allows you to hook up a ECM to the bench. You just plug this into your J2534 box. These go into your powers, grounds, and CAN communication feeds. And you hook this up to an AC outlet, which they gave us a cable for. And you're able to read engine data with the ECM sitting on your bench. Now, they also gave us a couple MCU circuits where, if needed, you're able to desolder these chips from the board, solder them on the here, and use some of these wiring harnesses that are provided to go clip in and read if needed. So they give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these style MCU boards. They also give you an Eeprom board. Now this here is if you need to take out an Eprom off of the circuit. You're going to solder it onto here. And on the back side, this just clips directly into your XP400. Like so. So they give you the APA 107. Now this here, all of these cables, they go into your XP400. This cable, I believe, is for reading ECMs on the bench. This cable is to solder on these MCU boards if you need to. And honestly, I don't know what this is for yet. But the good news is, everything you need to know is built into these IM608 devices. So any pinout you need, any diagrams, it's going to tell you where to solder what to circuit, what to solder from where. This also comes with the APB 125. This here is for Mercedes, and I'm not sure how much I'm going to use it working at a Toyota dealership. We don't get a lot of Mercedes. Trade-ins, but if needed, this comes in handy. But the big thing I wanted this for, me personally, not what my boss wanted it for, but me personally, was for these Eprom chip readers. Now, older Toyotas, if you lost all your keys, you needed a new ECM or you needed Eprom work done. Now, the nice thing about this is, this will nice thing about this is this chip reader goes right into your XP400. Clamp it down. It's nice and secure so you can't knock it off. You can just clip this right onto the circuit board on the chip you want to erase the data from so that you can add new keys to it. If it does not work in circuit, you can desolder the Eprom. Add this chip reader and you're able to erase and essentially virginize the Eeprom. So I know this was quick. I just wanted to go over why I wanted this tool. You're going to be seeing it in a lot of videos because, well, because I was really excited to get this. So I just wanted to go over why a dealer tech is getting an immobilizer tool, and that way you all can understand why you're going to be seeing it in a lot of videos, because I'm really excited to have this tool, and I'm hoping to get some old Toyotas to do some Eprom work on, because I also just recently bought a hot air and soldering station. So stay tuned, and catch you all next time.